Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your PayPal credit card. To begin, it's crucial to understand that the only way to close your PayPal credit card account is by directly contacting their customer service. Before you make the call, please ensure your card balance is completely paid off. Also, have your account details, like your card number and personal identification, readily available to streamline the process. This preparation will make your cancellation much smoother. The next step involves reaching out to PayPal's dedicated customer support. You can find their phone number conveniently located on the back of your physical credit card or by visiting the official PayPal website. Be prepared for a short wait, as call volumes can vary. Once connected, clearly inform the representative that you wish to cancel your PayPal credit card account. They are there to guide you through the specific steps. During your call, the customer service representative will first need to verify your identity to protect your account. This usually involves answering a few security questions. They might inquire about your reason for canceling, but you are not required to provide an extensive explanation. It's important to explicitly confirm that you are closing the credit card account itself and not your primary PayPal account to avoid any confusion. After the call, always request a confirmation number or an email verifying that your PayPal credit card account has been successfully canceled. Keep this record for your files. Over the next few business days, monitor your email and your PayPal account to ensure the closure is fully processed and reflected. Once you have received official confirmation, it is advisable to securely shred your physical credit card to prevent any unauthorized use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.